Well, this is my throwout bearing. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today it is time to replace the clutch in my E36 drift car. Now this is my 98 328 IS. I've been drifting for the past about a year, a little over, and it's finally time to replace the clutch in it. The throwout bearing's squealing. The clutch isn't too bad itself, but the throwout bearing is just squealing so loud. So we're gonna go ahead and drop the transmission. It's not gonna be a super depth how-to. We're just gonna bring you guys along. Alrighty, about an hour later, got the trans out. Wasn't hard at all, really. Now it's time to go ahead and take the pressure plate and clutch off. We can look at the clutch and the throwout bearing. Hopefully that all comes out well. Yeah, that's normal. Definitely gonna pull out all this old heat stuff they got going on. It just kind of deteriorates over time. 40 minutes getting it out. I need to get some stuff so I can, I'm gonna replace the starter when I'm in here. It's kind of hard to get to. And I'm also gonna replace the shifter and the bushing and all that kind of transmission related stuff.
Oh!
That's not good.
Hey, I forgot your throw bearing's not looking like a bearing.
Let's throw that one out. Well, this is my throwout bearing. All the balls and the ball bearings are already out of it and in the trash, so this is what it's supposed to look like. That's a new one. That's the one. Alrighty, time to clean it up. Well, we're trying to get the pilot bearing out, so we looked up on the internet, and they said to use like paper and a hammer and like an extension. You put the paper in there, you hammer it out, and the theory is that like it comes around the side and like pushes the pilot bearing out. We're like 14 sheets of paper in, still not moving, but we're gonna keep trying. Look how much paper towel is on this thing. Oh yeah, now it came off, but like it's on there. Yeah, we gotta get that out. Alrighty, day 2 of the clutch. We cleaned the tranny up last time. Just went to O'Reilly's, picked up a new slave cylinder. Since we're in there, might as well replace it. And I have a new shifter. This is like an eBay short shifter deal. But check out what we got for the shop over here. We got a tire machine. Now this is like an eBay one. It was like 850 bucks. But since we do a lot of drifting with the drift cars, it's definitely worth the money and the time. So it's going to be set up here. We're still figuring out an air compressor setup for the shop, but that's in the works. So let's go ahead and get back to the clutch job.
Better quality.
Why does it do it? You just suck at it. It's a few days later and I finally got in this little clip right here, if you can see it. That's the little guy that was broken that holds in the clutch fork on the clutch and the transmission. So I got a new one in. I'm gonna go ahead and put it all back together, get the car up on the lift, get the Skyline out of here, and hopefully we can get it all back in tonight. It's currently about 6 o'clock, 5:45. I'm hoping to get it done before, 2 a.m. Wish me luck. So in the middle of doing this clutch job, I look out of the shop, right? Way out here and goes, what is that? Is that a Supra? I think he got pulled over. I think he's looking at the R32. They were looking over here. Just got the pressure plate all bolted up. Need to torque it down. Then go ahead and take the tranny, the nice process of lifting it on our shoulders. Made it back to the motor, bolted in, put the exhaust on, put the drive shaft in, start the car, and you're good to go. That's not good. Alright, let's put the exhaust back on it. Yeah. Alright, just got the car all back together. We have a new exhaust on it that came with the red car over there. It doesn't have cats in it. I think it has some muffler that's kind of like, has a big hole in it. It also has like a bird's nest in it. So we'll see what happens when we start it up. But it should be louder. And this is like a stage 1 clutch compared to the OEM one. So it should be a little bit more aggressive, it says. It holds like 400 horsepower, but I only have like 190. Oh, come here. Check out this new sticker. Check out the E36 Save Them All sticker. There's a link down in the description if you guys want one. They're like $4 or $5. Free shipping. All the proceeds go to saving the E36s. Let's start it up.
loud.
Well, that wraps up the E36 clutch install. The clutch I put in there was stage 1. It feels really good. I like how the car was driving. I put a short shifter in there. It is doing great. So excited for the next drift event. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. If it helped you out at all, or if you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys in the next one.